I'm from Ghana. This is one of the traditional dresses. And this is from Northern Ghana. I'm repping it live. Just watch this. Butter curry or smoke from Northern Ghana. You can combine it with this cap. But before that, you must know that there are rules to it. If you flout it, then you'll be assembled before the traditional leaders to answer some questions. I don't want to be found wanting, so I'll not attempt putting it on. Oh gosh, it's already on my head. Cap one this way, that way, or this way, or that. If you know it, just put it on the comment section. I am Kasa Ting. I rep Northern Ghana, and this is the smoke called Batakari. Check me out. Woo!